So companies that succeed with AI understand it's a tool to make good developers better and to make good systems and system designs more powerful, not to replace them all. So VCs are throwing money at any startup that mention AI in their pitch deck, regardless of whether it actually solves the real problem. Right? I've been talking about this for a while where I keep seeing executives running around with AI as this hammer saying, where's the nail? Where's the nail? And they just want to find something to bang on it with, right? These AI first companies often struggle to build sustainable products because they prioritize buzzwords over business fundamentals. Now, the real value isn't in using AI, it's solving customer problems efficiently, whether it involves AI or not. So smart investors are starting to ask harder questions about actual implementations. The companies that survive this bubble will be those that use AI strategically, not just those who use it for marketing purposes. Now, here's the truth that nobody really wants to hear. AI can write individual functions brilliantly, but it cannot architect complex systems. Generating code is like knowing how to lay bricks. Building a house requires understanding load-bearing walls, plumbing, electrical, and how everything works. AI models lack the context to understand your business requirements, user workflows, performance constraints, and integration needs. So I've seen AI generate perfectly good looking code, but then completely breaks when you try to put it into production. Software architecture requires understanding trade-offs, making decisions about scalability, and about planning for the future. Actually how the system works and how it's going to work with the business. The most effective approach I've seen combines AI code generation with strong human architecture oversight and code review process. So I was working with a client today, and like this example was, and I get asked all the time, well, can we do this? I'm like, well, yes, we can. I mean, we can give me a keyboard, we can take it to the moon. And I tell people that all the time. I'm sure they love hearing that. But my point to it is that I'm saying, should we do it? Do you want to spend the investment on it? Do you want to put the time in? See, with AI, the problem is they can just jump in, do a prompt, think they're getting code back, and think it's going to solve the problem. The problem is that AI doesn't understand your code base's existing patterns, naming conventions, or architectural decisions. When AI generates code in isolation, it creates inconsistent implementation that makes the entire system hard to maintain. So I've seen companies spend more time refactoring AI-generated code than it would have taken to write properly from scratch. So true story, I got contacted by somebody who was interested in using some of our consulting services. They brought me in and they showed me just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of lines of code. Just hundreds of files of code. And they're like, well, it's kind of working. And they're like, but there's just like some of these little bugs we can't get. And they kept showing the bugs kept spiraling down. And I kept looking into their code base and I was like, none of it was making sense. Like even the pieces as it was architected or laid out didn't make sense. And you could clearly tell this individual had this all written by AI and they didn't know how they were putting it together.
Hi, I'm Spencer, a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and 25 years in software development, I've transformed technology teams and products for businesses just like yours. As your fractional CTO, you get the strategic guidance of a seasoned technology executive without the full-time commitment, perfect for companies ready to leverage cutting-edge technology without expanding headcount. My team at Startup Hack has already built advanced AI agents for small and medium businesses, automating complex workflows and delivering advanced ROI to human workflows. We specialize in creating custom software that connects your systems into a single coherent technology ecosystem. Our development approach focuses on tangible business outcomes. For one client, we developed AI-powered workflows that cut days off of human processes. For another company, by connecting multiple systems, we reduced processing time to increase their ROI by over 75%. We don't just write code, we architect solutions that scale. Whether you need cloud system architecture, data integration between legacy systems, or custom AI agents that automate your unique business processes, my team delivers results that exceed your expectations. Having led technology for a lot of companies and launched 7 successful brands of my own, I bring battle-tested expertise to your business challenges. Our specialty is turning technological complexity into business advantage. So if you're ready to harness the power of AI and custom software to drive your business forward, let's connect. Together, we'll build technology that doesn't just solve today's problems, it positions you for tomorrow's opportunities. Technology leadership, decades of experience, AI powered. Reach out today and we can help you. Check out startuphack.com/Spencer.